This might be the most risky thing we've tried so far. Today, we're testing engraving on something that honestly looks impossible to work with. An actual eggshell. Not wood, not glass, not acrylic, an egg.
Wow!
It's Easter season, so the question is simple. Can you actually engrave something this delicate without completely destroying it? Let's find out. Quick note before we start, this is a real egg, but it's been boiled and dyed first. We used food coloring, hot water, and a teaspoon of vinegar to give it that color. The dye can stain your fingers a little, so don't be surprised if your hands end up slightly colorful too. Even though it looks tiny, we're still wearing safety glasses and working in a ventilated space. Eggshell dust is still dust. An eggshell is mostly calcium carbonate, so technically it behaves closer to a ceramic than wood. That means low speed, very low. I'm starting with a small ball bit because I want control on something this thin. All right, first touch. Okay, it's actually marking. I'm barely letting the bit kiss the surface, no pressure, just guiding it. And immediately, you can feel how thin this material is. There's no margin for correction here. If it cracks, that's it. One thing that really helps is keeping it very stable. I'm resting the egg on a surface where it won't vibrate or roll while I work. I'm also constantly rotating the egg instead of bending my wrist too much. That keeps the angle stable. So far, still intact. That alone feels like a win. Okay, one little problem. Some areas are flaking a bit more than I expected. That's the issue with organic materials. They're not perfectly uniform. So I'm switching to lighter passes instead of trying to get the one line in one go. Multiple slow passes are way safer than one confident mistake. Now that I understand how it reacts, it's getting easier. The design I'm doing is light and minimal, something cute with soft lines, nothing too dense. On a surface like this, the less you overload it, the easier it is. And honestly, I did not expect this to work this well. Okay, that's kind of insane. It's still a fragile eggshell, but now it looks more, I don't know, festive? The engraving didn't crack it, it didn't collapse, it actually worked. I have to admit, I'm a little relieved. So yeah, turns out you can engrave an eggshell. Add that to your list. Now you can show off your artistic skills at your Easter gathering and be the unexpected star of the holiday. Would I say it's beginner friendly? Not exactly, but is it possible? Absolutely. Now I want to know what other "this will definitely break" surfaces should we test next? Drop your wildest ideas below and subscribe if you like seeing engraving pushed way beyond the obvious. See you in the next one.